Hey everybody, Wes McDonald here with another AI FYI, and today I'm going to show you how you can use AI to help correct spelling and grammar to make your posts look more professional, to make your emails look more professional the first time. So let's get started. All right, here we are looking at the prompt, and what's really great about this is you can not only use it to correct your writing, but to teach you lessons about what went wrong with your writing in the first place. So the prompt I used was, can you correct the grammar and spelling of the following? And as you can see, it's filled and strewn with mistakes. And then it does come through with it and corrects the paragraph to be something that is exceptionally readable. And then it goes through the lessons and teaches me what it did in the first place. And what I love is that when I asked, so what are you waiting for? It changed it, added missing words to form a correct sentence, and also corrected the grammar for certain things to make sure that there was continuity and flow. Even if you're the kind of person that doesn't want to use AI to do the writing, you can use it to make your writing better. So hopefully you learned something today, and until next time, keep learning.